So as going on guys, it's Zakir here back with another video, and today we'll be taking a look at the Lava R3 2018 and find out if it's worth it for the money. So without much further ado, let's get straight into it. Starting off with the box, let me say that this phone comes with a very simple packaging. The box is very simple with the phone picture printed on the top of the box. Opening the box, you will find the phone with an earphone and some instruction manual. The box does not have too much in it, but really it isn't very bad for the price. Once you have opened the box, you will have the phone, and that is really what you will be caring about at that moment. When we start off with the phone, the design of the phone is pretty simple as well. The phone has a really nice smooth finish with the sides housing the power button and the volume rocker. The top of the phone has a headphone jack and the bottom has a charging port. Holding the phone in hand, you will be surprised by how premium it feels. There is very little I would say about it, but in short, it feels extremely premium and the build quality is fantastic. The phone comes in few different colors, but this model here is the midnight blue color. Moving on to the display of the device, the display here isn't very amazing. To be fair honest, you will not be amazed with display, and watching movies or whatsoever will be just horrible. The screen isn't bright and you cannot easily read the screen under the sunlight. However, using it wasn't a disgrace for sure, and I really didn't lose my eyes, but yeah, be sure not to expect way too much. Speaking about the performance of the device, you have a very smooth performance. Moving between apps wasn't an issue at all. There was no lags or noticeable crashes. The phone runs a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor with 3 GB of RAM and a storage of 32 GB. The graphics card of this device is powered up with the Mali T720, which is very good enough for playing games and all that you would want to do. All in all, the performance of the device is staggering. I'm really speechless to what this device has to offer. Moving on to the camera of this device, let's keep it very simple. The phone has a 13 megapixel back camera and an 8 megapixel front camera. The quality of this camera are really good. There isn't any complaints that I personally have, but instead, to be very honest, this is just mind-blowing for the price. Some extra features that does come with the phone is Face ID, Touch ID, voice recognition, and a lot more. Here, Face ID really did blow me up because I personally use an iPhone X and I really didn't think that Face ID would be available in a phone for this price range. However, don't expect it to be super smooth or easily recognizing your face, because this isn't the real kind of Face ID thing. So always be sure that you do not use it if you don't really need it. However, the Touch ID here works really good. It does receive the signal very fast and does unlock the phone really quickly, and the voice recognition here is also great, and that is all. All in all, this phone does have a lot of things that you might like and you might not like, just like any other devices. But to be honest, if you're in a budget which is under 15,000 taka, this is a phone that you might want to check out. It has all the things that you need other than a display, which is totally fine, because if you are looking for a really good display, you will have to increase your prices. But for the performance, for playing games, and for the camera, I would say that it is a really good phone. So yeah, so this is basically it for today guys. I hope you have really enjoyed the video. If you didn't, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more contents like this one, because we're coming up with more contents every single week. And make sure to hit the like button if you like the video. Comment down below any kind of video suggestions that you have. Also check out my website if you want to, and support the channel by purchasing anything from Amazon, which is down below. I'll see you on the next one. Till then, take care guys. This is Zakir from Zars. Goodbye, peace.